Good day. I'm Hendrik Trafford, financial coaching artist. If you're curious about financial coaching, irrespective if you are a financial planner, paraplanner, accountant, therapist, psychologist, or a coach who wants to expand your practice into financial coaching, then you are at the right place. We are passionate about integrating financial coaching and financial planning here at the School for Financial Planning Law at the University of the Free State. Our 12-week online program offers you a well-researched and robust coaching model and will enable you on completion to understand your client's money personality, how to assess their competencies to earn, save and spend money, and how to develop these competencies, their history with money, where they are today, and help them create a journey towards financial prosperity. Support your client to plan for and negotiate through life's transitions. Enable you to coach your clients from financial anxiety to financial wonder. Coach your clients to take ownership of their finances. Understand what prevents clients from implementing or staying with the advice you agreed on. Understand how behavior biases influence your clients. The program is structured to offer the learner all the coaching theories through an online learning platform. We then also meet once a week as a cohort, and this learning is powerful. Here we share tools to integrate financial coaching into your practice, and you have an opportunity to practice this in a safe space. You then have ample time to each week to go and apply what you have learned in practice. The program is accredited by the Financial Planning Institute of South Africa, and on successful completion of the modules of the program, participants will receive 26 CPD points. The program is also approved as a bronze training program with Comensa, which is the coaches and mentors of South Africa. Contact Evelyn at the School of Financial Planning Law at the University of the Free State for more information.